and have been giving emergency care that has been needed ever since. I just returned from a week in Banda Aceh, and I can tell you firsthand that the humanitarian workers who have dedicated their time for the past few months deserve our respect, they deserve our admiration and our appreciation for the lives that they've saved and for the sacrifices they've made. Marilah bersama saya. Memberikan cukupan yang gemuruh sebagai tanda penghargaan kepada mereka yang telah memberikan sumbangan. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, hadirin sekalian.
Right? Couple lines. MTV agents can see that. If you wish, happy birthday to
Is that my CD that you're doing, right?
Tell us what you got when you were 10 as a birthday present.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, when you were 10 years old.
Of course you didn't. Yeah, that's my CD, right? And also the Christmas one, yeah. Pen or not? But you don't have a pen. I have here. I have pen. Jesse, what's all these?
This one, Ellen coming or?
Yeah.
Great. Good. So what did you come down to?
Actually, I've been in Banda Aceh for the past week, so we skipped over to Kuala Lumpur to be a part of this, because one of the things that struck me so much while I was in Banda Aceh was the amount of work that's being done, the amount of good that's being done. Kids are getting back to school, homes are being rebuilt, the infrastructure's slowly, there's planning in the works to get the infrastructure back in place, and there's a lot of good work. You know, I went with UNICEF to see the work that UNICEF is doing, and it's really amazing to see after 3 months the resilience of the people who are down there, the resilience of the people who are in these tsunami-affected areas, and the progress that's being made. So this is just another step, and I think that what's being done here tonight is just an amazing part of what's necessary to keep that progress moving forward. So I wanted to make sure that I could be a part of that.
What else do you think needs to be done?
I mean, there's obviously a whole. I mean, there's a lot of work that's been done. It's the most devastation I've ever seen in my life, and hopefully most I ever will. But I think that the thing that's impressed me the most is the fact that kids are getting back to school. You know, I saw kids smiling and dancing. I saw them participating in classes and whatnot. I think that we just need to continue. That work needs to continue. UNICEF is doing an amazing job. NGOs, other organizations are doing an amazing job of working together. And I think that's the key, is trying to is making sure people work together. And it's very evident that across all throughout the world, citizens of all different countries are working together for this cause. So I think that unity is extremely important.
So after seeing all this, what kind of message do you think we can bring back to the people in the US and around the world?
I think that the message that I want to bring back is that there is a lot of hope. There's definitely a hopeful attitude in Banda Aceh, in Mulabo, in Indonesia. Things are on their way to getting back to normal. You know, I mean, it's going to be a long road, years of reconstruction and rehabilitation. But are participating in activities that they weren't able to participate in January and the end of December. So it's exciting to see that.